Ou deixa sua bunda ardendo, ou dá tapa, 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 tapa.
Hello everyone, this is Punika Prem. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel, to my all loving brothers and sisters. Today is very special day. Today we are going to talk about one of the famous and the one youngest racer, that is Pedro Acosta, who is a Spanish racer from MotoGP. And today we are going to showcase the most awaited gift that I'm seeking for from last so many days, so many months, and finally it came on my birthday. It's my present that I got. I would like to show you and do the unboxing. In a snap, you wanna see the gift. Ta-da! Here is the gift. Okay, the product is from the Spain, and I have ordered it from the Power Sport International, that is in Chennai, and I have ordered this. So let's unbox it. Let's keep this aside. Let's keep this aside. Here we go. That is empty. Oh my god. I was just waiting for this day, and finally it is here. So many bubble wraps. Oh yes, we get the visor. The visor. See the color. See the color. See the colors. Too many bubble wraps to wait for my gift. So see this one. I'm just loving this one. I'm just waiting to open this. So with your all grace, I'm just opening this my gift. Oh my god, I'm just really loving it. I wish I could be also celebrating the same with you guys. Small peek. Can you see the small peek? See the colors. See the colors. Let's get it done. And 3, 2, 1. See the colors. See the colors, guys. See the colors.
Deixa sua bunda ardendo.
Oh my god. See the Pedro Acosta's number, that is 37, who is the MotoGP racer. He is the champion of 2023 MotoGP, and this is the helmet, the empty one. Okay, so I'll update this. Yes, so it will go like this. The helmet would look. Okay, this is how it looks. So let's talk about this helmet. Why should I buy this helmet? Okay, the very first reason, it is Shark rating 4. That means I can ride internationally on the tracks wearing this helmet. This helmet give me approvals of riding a bike on the international tracks. Okay, apart from that, the world safest locks for the helmet is the pin lock that it have. So this is the second reason that I got this helmet for me. The third reason, it have a sun visor. We have a lock here. We have a sun visor here. That's very pretty cool, right? Okay. And the very last, the fourth reason, it have a fin. See, it have a fin with the number 37 for the Pedro Acosta. and this helmet is very lightweighted. It have a rating of EC 22.5, which is approved with the 22 test has been performed on this helmet, and also it is ISI marked. So technically we can get this helmet for any mode, any track. With this I can wear everywhere. For the ventilation we have one, and the second one is here. Pretty cool, right? And also air ventilation is at the back side. If possible you can. At the price of 6,800, this is the most affordable helmet to buy, with all the features that nobody can touch us for the more than 11,000 or 15,000 price tags helmet. So this is very pretty well. So let's remove the sticker from here. And I will recommend you that kindly go ahead and buy this helmet. As per my experience and all the reviews that I have heard about this helmet, I will say kindly go ahead with this helmet. This is the rarest color that I have got it. So if you are lucky, you will get this too. Thank you. I will share the link from where I have got this helmet. Kindly go ahead and buy it from yourself. And safe riding. Always remember, the helmet is your crown. You are the king and this is the crown on the roads. Kindly wear it. Thank you everyone for watching my video. I'll see you in next vlog with this crazy helmet. Thank you.